The Haitian Creole proverb Zo Granmoun pa pran means the bones of the elderly don't heal or take longer to heal. So, a key lesson of this proverb is to be careful as you get older to not get physically injured because it takes the body longer to recover. Okay, so now here are some examples of how to actually use this saying when speaking Haitian Creole.
Mesye wo, gade Renel kap ve football ak ti gason yon de yo a. Zo Granmoun pa pran, fòl fè atensyon.
Alo Mylène, m'dan de mesaj wa oui, mais ou gade pa kon l'âge mwen. M'se Granmoun. Pitit, dwe kompran. M'ge ka rive 4 ans, Zo Granmoun pa pran. M'pa kap monte cheval, non.
So, fun fact, the Haitian Creole term Granmoun literally means great person, but the actual meaning is someone who's a fully grown adult or who is a senior. So, overall, you can use the saying to tell someone of older age to be careful to not take unnecessary risk because the body doesn't recover as quickly. And also to describe the fact that in general, as you get older in age, it takes longer for the body to recover. So definitely, for more videos like this, subscribe and thanks for watching.